how to find and replace words in MS Word application using your mobile device. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. And if you want to quickly change repeated words or phrases in your document, the Find and Replace feature in the Word mobile app can save you a lot of time. First of all, launch open your Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and log in. Now load the document you want to edit. From the documents that has been viewed, go to the top of the screen and tap the pencil button. Once you select the pencil button, go to the top of the screen one more time and tap on the magnifying glass icon. Now, tap on the Find option and tap on the magnifying glass drop down and tap on Find and Replace. Now, in the Find tab, type in the word or phrase you want to search for. After you do that, the word will highlight each match in the document. You can choose the arrow button at the bottom right in order to move between the results. Now, go to the Replace tab at the bottom of the screen and type in the word that you want to replace the chosen word with. After you do that, click on Replace. Now click on the Replace, keep doing that, and each word that has been highlighted will be replaced with your new word. After it is done, the Replace button will not be highlighted anymore, and now you can tap the tick mark at the bottom left, and that's it. You have successfully found and replaced words in Word application. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.